Hey y'all, welcome to this video. Today I'm on my way to an event, and so I'm going to go ahead and get ready, and I wanted to bring y'all along with me. I haven't done like a get ready with me in a minute. I feel like it's been like a week that I've had my hair straight, so it's getting kind of oily. And I know it's oily when it like doesn't fall anymore, like it kind of just stays and you can kind of feel it. So I'm gonna try, if the air is loud, I'm sorry, it's hot. I'm gonna try to put some curls in it with my flat iron, which I don't normally do. I usually use a curling iron, but I didn't feel like digging for it, so. And my head's starting to itch. Yeah. Let me get a comb. So yeah, this is just what it looks like, and it's just kind of not giving anymore. It's just kind of flat. So I think some curls would be cute. Alright, so I have my flat iron and I'm gonna put it on 360, and I also have some hairspray and some more heat protector. I'm just gonna spray lightly. And brush it through. Hopefully it doesn't make it too oily.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
Y'all, I just burned my skin off. I just burned my skin off. The flat iron fell on my leg and I just burned my skin off. No, this is gonna leave a scar. Oh my god. Surprisingly, it doesn't hurt though. Y'all see that? Burnt me down to the white meat. I gotta keep going. Oh, please don't start hurting.
Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. For once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. For once. But sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes.
BRB. My mom said I should have had a towel on my leg. Never thought of that, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna comb these out and see how I like it. Cute. I was watching a hairstylist curl hair. She was showing how she does like different curls and they were with a flat iron. And I was like, wow. It's like an art. So I tried one of them. Or from what I can remember, I tried to try it. So this is how it turned out. Alright, hair's done. That was dramatic. Alright, now it's time for the makeup. We should go by pretty fast because I do the same look every day. Got some lip balm. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna do my normal makeup, not to be like stressed out about a look because the burn kind of just. Can do some primer. I'm gonna keep it simple because I don't want to be fooling with my hair either. These curls are pretty cute. They kind of look like, you know, the curls you get at the salon. Kind of cute. It's kind of bouncing, you know. Hopefully I got the back good. And then I'm gonna wear some pink so you'll be able to see my hair. How cute. All right. I'm actually gonna wet my beauty blender today. I never wet it anymore. This is way more chaotic than I expected this to be. Okay, I started getting ready at 9, knowing that I have to leave at 11. It's already 10:30. Now I really do just have to do a quick look. Oh my gosh. My makeup doesn't take more than like 15 minutes now, but geez, where'd the time go? I thought I was moving fast on my hair. I really thought I was doing something. Psych. I think a really good thing to do is master a makeup routine that you can do like super fast and that just looks good every single time and like fits you, your budget, and just like you could do it in your sleep basically, because that's pretty much what I did when I was like, what, 19. I did makeup almost like every day for work. And so I learned like what I liked, how I liked it to look, and how to get what I wanted. And now I can just do it like super fast. And I haven't really changed it up much since. Like I don't spend a lot of time or money on makeup anymore. Used to be my thing. Fenty on the face. Got a little bump right here. I don't know what's going on with my skin. Had so many whiteheads, and then I think the lotion I'm using is not good for me because it's making my skin dry. So I don't know what's going on there. Bronzer. Okay, finished makeup. Lip liner, I used Morphe Richie. It's like a cooler tone brown. I like Richie trendsetter, you know. I have this wax stick I got from the beauty supplies by the Balm. She Is Balm, which I've seen people use the edge control and stuff. I have to try that because I never have. And I say it's good, but I thought I could just swipe. I don't know if this works or not. I don't know. Trying something new. Because I haven't been putting edge control on my hair just so it'll last like a good amount of time. These girls are cute. Should I go for the black lip liner? If I was gonna, I'm gonna try and darken it up a little bit with black. I feel like I could go deeper. Should I put on eyeliner? I'm not gonna overdo it. I'm just gonna do it on my lip. I don't know if you can tell the difference. It's kind of subtle. I think I want to do a little bit of baby hair. I've also been trying to use just less edge control in general, not because my hair is straight, because the last year, like the breakage around my forehead, it's been a little overboard, and like having short edges just because, you know, doing edges a lot probably breaks them off. Hasn't breaking them off, so I've just been not doing it and living with it. And hairstyles that where you don't need to do like permanent sets, you don't need to do your edges, so that's a good hairstyle. Straight hair, you don't really need to do it. Like, it's just kind of like not on an everyday basis. So, and anytime I feel like I need to like slick everything, I'm like, just don't do it, because then that's the bad part. So just do, like, if it's not my actual baby hair, I don't put edge control on it anymore, or I'm trying not to. So any hair that's like actually on my forehead, that's all I do. So hopefully like in a year, like my edges will be full and long again, because it's so thin now. I can really tell a difference. Now it's time to get dressed. I don't think I want to fold both of them up. I just want one. So, alright, and here's the star of the show. My pink accessories. So I have these pink patent leather Steve Madden that I got for Christmas. My boyfriend got them for me for Christmas, and a matching bag. I'm so glad I got pink. So there's like pink or like a reddish brown, and I was like, I should probably get the brown because, you know, I could wear it more often. But I've actually thought of like a lot of ideas for the pink, and I love it so much. So I'm gonna put this on, but not right this second. I'm gonna clean up and stuff, and then I'll show y'all the finished look. I made pretty good timing. It's 11:06. I was done at like 11:01. Now I'm trying to figure out which fragrance I want to wear, and I feel like I should keep it in the theme of pink. Nails are pink too. I have Daisy Love. This is cute. I also have Valentino. I don't know what the name of this one is. And then I also have Nest Black Tulip. They're all pink. I think I kind of want to go with the Black Tulip. Alright, now I'm going to see what I can fit in this bag, because it's kind of small. And it has a chain, so that's fun. I might wear it like that. See, I have lip liners. Those fit. Obviously my entire wallet won't be able to fit, so I'll just bring my ID. Oh, actually I'll get my card holder. Some lip gloss. I think that might be it. I'll bring a pad just in case, but I don't think I'm gonna do it. But you never know. Honestly, I'm just gonna put the cards in there. I'll put them in the zipper in the back so they don't fall out. You can't really see the full outfit, and I don't know how you can. I'm ready. How could I forget jewelry? I don't have on any. That's crazy. Okay. Gonna do my Pandora bracelet. I wear this almost every day. Should I do a necklace? Like that? That actually might be kind of cute. Hold on. I did say I could wear the pink earrings, pink and green, but I didn't know. I didn't want to give off that AKA vibe because the pink and green, they look so good together. Or cherry earrings. Oh, you know what though? I have these. Or do I? Oh no, did I throw those away? No. I have these little heart charm earrings, but I don't see the hoop part of it. I'm gonna do the green. It's whatever. I'm gonna have to link below that video I watched to get these kind of curls, because I never really, like, I know people always said you could do different types of curls with a flat iron, but didn't really know it to be true, like myself. But it's really like in like the way they be moving their wrists when they're like curling and stuff. So this is definitely different than everything I've gotten when I've tried curls.
Keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your head